Hi everyone, I'm so happy to see you all again. Sergeant Goodall and I, we were just talking about our next Photos with Santa event with the Jim Wernig team. Last year we had so many of you come to see me that we needed to move to a bigger place this year.
We are thrilled to announce that this year our Photos with Santa event will be held on Saturday, December 9th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Ellison Place in Gaylord. To help our friends at Toys for Tots, there will be a small admissions fee of $1 per person or $5 per family. 100% of the admission will be donated back to Toys for Tots.
We're so excited to have Celeste's lovely photography taking free professional photos this year.
There will be a hot cocoa bar and sweet treats served up from Mrs. Claus's kitchen, and children can visit Santa's workshop to make their own Christmas crafts.
Our friends at Alpine Realty once again have sponsored a bike giveaway, so make sure that you register to win that bike while you're at the event.
As an added bonus, you'll be able to get last-minute Christmas shopping done at the Christmas shop vendor and craft show where you'll find tons of unique gifts.
Santa's elves and the team at Jim Wernig are hard at work to make sure this year's event is even more fun and exciting for all of our visitors.
We hope to see all of you Saturday, December 9th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Ellison Place in Gaylord.
Don't forget, your admission of $1 per person or $5 per family will go right back to the local community as a donation to Toys for Tots.